Hello. Okay, this is KS Vapor here, your friendly neighborhood vapor modder type guy, part of the absolutely meaningless Vapors Club here in Long Island, New York. Um, I have here a repair. I repaired a VV gripper mod for what is it? Josephine Puglisi. Um, she dropped her mod. Um, Fell to the floor and broke apart into pieces. I was able to take it apart. Luckily, she had all the pieces and she collected them all and brought it to me in a little plastic baggie. Uh, so, actually, she gave it to Kathy, and Kathy gave it to me at the vape meet tonight. I went ahead and took it apart, rewired the a brand new atomizer connection. This is the original one that came with it. That piece of aluminum. It's a piece of crap. Is what it is. It's aluminum, not very sturdy, flimsy. Didn't even bother rewiring this. I gave her a brand new brass connection. I have a bunch of them wired up that I wired up for other box mods that I make. So I just took one out. It was already pre-wired because I wired it ahead of time. Cut it to length, soldered the connections, tested with my own meter. Put all the buttons back in the way they should. Positive, negative, power button. Some of the standoffs inside the units were broken. I used a little bit of JB Weld to build standoffs inside and pretty much permanently attach it to the box in the inside. So it gives it some weight, not a lot of rattling. Feels solid in my hand, so it's not, splitting apart. Seams are all nice and tight again, like she had it brand new. Button is still clicky, which is good. Screen comes on. Well, box mod, everything. Put the battery in. I had an AC650 battery charged up. Popped it in. Tested out. Screen flashes. Turns on. Plus and minus work. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of blurry. I don't know why. I don't know why it's blurry. So, anyways, it works. Comes on. Put it on my my Vivisys tank, the one that I built. It's 1.5, well, actually 1.3 ohm coil. Screw it on. Right, it's nice and tight. Doesn't wiggle around. 1.3 ohm coil. Setting it down, voltage 3.5 volts. That's what I need it to be. And test fire. Fires it right up. Perfect. Well, your box mod is fixed. So now you can be a happy vapor again, and talk to you soon, Kathy. I'll get this back to you at the next vape meet or whenever, or even tomorrow, Saturday. I'll drop it off to you. You can drop it off to Josephine, and she can enjoy her VV gripper again. Thank you all for watching. and keep on vaping.